All right, let's talk about women in manufacturing. What advice do you have for younger generation women that are thinking about or toying with the idea of getting into manufacturing?
Well, I just feel like even like 10 years ago, it's definitely changed. But I would suggest to find a mentor. For what I do, I will take any high schooler that is just maybe interested, whether it's business, right? And get to your local high schoolers and say, hey, we're offering internships, maybe a part-time job, maybe it could just be for like a quick little summer thing, and invite them. I think it's so important to do that. For girls, it's different, right? I mean, I remember being in a class in chemical engineering classes, and I was the only girl, and that can be really intimidating. And so I would suggest, like, if you primarily have more of a male dominated team, to maybe look to see if you have more females that can come with you and showcase that you do have some diversity as well. I think that's important so that they don't feel so isolated and alone, and encourage that, right? Encourage that you're going to have stuff for them to do, that they're going to learn. It's a fun shadow program. Encourage their skills, listen to them. But for the younger females, just get involved however you can. Show up places.